lsl.justice.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a Design button on the top right corner of the page. In the search bar that appears, type logo and press enter. You'll see various logo templates to choose from. Browse through the options and select a template that suits your needs, or start with a blank canvas if you prefer. Customize your logo by editing the text, colors, shapes, and other elements. Canva provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to drag and drop elements, resize them, change their colors, and apply various effects. To add text to your logo, click on the Text tab on the left sidebar. Choose a text style that matches your brand or type in your own text. You can adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and other text properties. To add shapes, icons, or illustrations, click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find specific elements. Click on an element to add it to your canvas and resize or reposition it as needed. You can also upload your own images or use Canva's extensive library of stock photos and illustrations. Click on the Uploads tab to upload your own images, or click on the Photos or Illustrations tab to search for relevant visuals. Once you're satisfied with your logo design, you can download it by clicking on the Download button in the top right corner of the Canva editor. Canva offers both free and premium options for downloading your design, depending on your subscription plan and the elements used. Remember to consider your brand identity, target audience, and the message you want to convey through your